Welcome to today's guide on how to mute words on the X app and make sure you also control notifications for them. Whether you're avoiding spoilers, filtering out certain topics, or just keeping your feed clean, these updated steps will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want these changes to apply. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several account options. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your customization and privacy tools are located. Once you're inside, tap Privacy and Safety. This section is where you control who can interact with you, what you see, and the kind of content you allow on your feed. Now find and select Muted and Block. This is the area that manages all your muted accounts, muted words, and blocked users. From here, tap Muted Words. This will bring up a list of any words you've already muted, or it will be empty if you haven't muted any before. To add new words, tap the Add button. In the text box that appears, type the word or phrase you want to mute. You can add anything from single words to full hashtags to keep them from showing up in your feed. After entering your chosen word or phrase, look for the toggle to control notifications. Turn this on if you also want to stop receiving notifications whenever these muted words appear in mentions or messages. This ensures you're not only muting them from your feed, but also from your alerts. Finally, save your changes. Your muted words will now be active, and you'll have more control over the content you see and the notifications you receive. That's it, you've successfully muted words on X and silenced notifications for them. Keep this tool in mind whenever you want to make your experience on the app more focused, distraction-free, and tailored to your preferences.